Apple USB-C headphone jack adapter.
Welcome to another video. In this one I show you the USB-C to headphone jack adapter from Apple, made to work for iPads, but actually it works with a Windows 10 PC and an Android phone. I tried it with both and it works fine. It says it's compatible with iOS 12.1 or how it was. And the box here, this is an important detail. My model is the MU7E2ZM/4/A. This is the European model A2155 USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. The EU version has maximum volume, maximum power a bit lower, actually half of the power than the US, the maximum, to protect your ears basically. And this is the unboxing experience. Yeah, that was pretty much it, but it's interesting that it's an easy way to check if the box was opened from the top. I'm not sure about the bottom of the box, if it can be opened, but I'm not even sure if I checked it at all. Inside you will find the leaflets, information, warranty and disclaimers. As usual from these big companies, they like to make sure that they're covered with all these compliance documents and everything, which nobody reads these things anyway. So I'm trying to see if there is anything useful here, any specifications. Maybe some of them, one of these pages, but I couldn't find it, so just throw it away. Compliance statement. And these are the things that matter here. That's one interesting package. You see the design. Apple, It's also a good video to check that you have an original adapter, because there could be fakes. I'm sure there are many fakes out there. This is original. I got it from a distributor, and it's interesting how you press on these things to open it. It was very cheap, 10 euro. Yeah, can't complain for 10 euro. Actually, I can't complain. The cable and the wire in this is very weak, but in a future video I'll show you how to make it very strong without much problems. And if you also another check to make sure you have the original, or also to check the model that you have. If you want to have the US model, you might try to buy it on Amazon or somewhere else, but you might receive the EU model anyway. So I would say, unless you really listen to loud music, the EU model is fine. And also I got this for the microphone that's built in, and again in a future video you'll see the reason why I got this. I got two of them actually. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.